subscribe, get notified.
It's baking time mga momshies! Today recipe, we will make homemade cinnamon roll with no mixer. Ingredients: all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, melted butter, milk, egg, active yeast. Now we're ready to mix. First, we will do the dry mixture. In a bowl, put the all-purpose flour, sugar, and salt. Mix it well. Set aside. We will do now the wet ingredients. In a bowl, I put warm milk, melted butter, 1 egg, and the active yeast. Mix it well also until all the active yeast is dissolved in the wet mixture. Now we're ready to mix all the ingredients together. In the dry ingredients, put the wet ingredients. Mix it until well combined. Mix it until well combined. We will mix it manually until we achieve the desired consistency. Just like this. So elastic and soft and smooth. This is already ready. In a clean bowl, we put little amount of oil. Oil all over the surface. Now we are ready to put the dough. Then we'll cover the dough until it will double the size. Make it rest at least 1 hour. Set aside. Now we're ready to make the cinnamon ingredients. In a bowl, I put 3 tablespoons of sugar, and half tablespoon of cornstarch and 3 packets of cinnamon powder. Just combine all together. In our working area, we need to flour it so the dough will not stick. The dough is ready. We will deflate it. And now we're ready to mold. Flat it using a rolling pin. But first, we need to put flour on the top of the dough so it will not stick. Now, flat it in the desired size and thick. Now, this is ready to butter. I usually put that butter technique to spread it. Then, I combine all over it. So it's easy for you to well spread it. Now we're ready to put cinnamon powder all over it. Put a generous amount of the cinnamon mixture that we made. Now we're ready to roll it in a typewriting motion. You can see that still it's so sticky because the flour we put is not enough, but it's fine. So we just continue to roll it until it's well done. Now we're already done with the log shape, so it's ready to cut. I usually use a pizza cutter when I'm making a cinnamon roll. This is easy for me to cut in my desired shape and sizes. Now we're ready to separate it each other and put in a traying pan. I usually make 10 pieces of cinnamon roll. Now we will seal again the cinnamon roll, so it will rest until 30 minutes. This is how it looks like after 30 minutes rested. So it's ready to cook in the oven. We will cook this one in the oven 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's ready. While it's hot, you need to put the condensed milk at the top of the cinnamon roll, so it will absorb all the sweetness. Now we're ready to taste. It looks so soft, smooth, and yummy. You'll taste a bite. So see how it's fluffy. Try it and you cannot resist to eat it.